Harley-Davidson has long been synonymous with big, burly American cruisers, but with the new X350 and X500 models, the brand is taking an ambitious step to appeal to new riders and expand its global reach. These models break away from Harley's traditional heavyweight designs, offering riders smaller, more manageable bikes that cater to urban commuting and new motorcyclists. Both the X350 and X500 embrace Harley-Davidson's iconic styling cues but in a more compact form. They sport aggressive, angular designs and the recognizable V-twin-inspired look, though they're both powered by liquid-cooled parallel twin engines. Both models feature a minimalistic, rugged look with an upright seating position, compact frame, and Harley's signature headlamp design. These bikes incorporate Harley's design heritage but offer a modern touch, making them perfect for riders who want something stylish and recognizable in an urban environment. The X350 comes with a 353 cubic centimeters engine and is positioned as a true entry-level motorcycle. It's designed to be light and nimble, making it an ideal choice for city riders or those new to motorcycling. On the other hand, the X500 has a larger 500 cubic centimeters engine, giving it more power and making it suitable for those who crave a bit more performance without stepping up to a full-sized Harley. Harley-Davidson has designed both bikes with user-friendly ergonomics and a balanced chassis. The X350 features a steel trellis frame, 41mm front forks, and rear monoshock suspension, which together provide a stable, agile ride. The X500 shares similar suspension features but has a slightly beefier setup to handle the increased power and weight. Both models have disc brakes with ABS as standard, enhancing safety and control. The X500's chassis is a bit more robust, designed to offer stability at higher speeds or when carrying extra weight for longer trips. In terms of tech, both models incorporate basic but essential features. You'll find a digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, and other vital information clearly and efficiently. Lighting is fully LED, and ABS is standard on both models, enhancing safety without adding complexity. Harley-Davidson has kept the technology package straightforward, making these bikes more accessible to riders. The X350 and X500 deliver a ride that feels engaging yet easygoing, perfect for riders who want a straightforward bike with a bit of Harley-Davidson spirit. Both bikes are responsive and agile, handling city streets and light touring effortlessly.